Hello my dear traders and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we are going to do something really fun. We are going to trade using AI powered chatbot ChatGPT Plus Trader Bot. Yes, we are going to request signals from it and trade. But my dear traders, I'm not going to follow its signals blindly. Of course, first of all, we are going to make technical analysis, and only as a confirmation of my technical analysis, I'm going to use its signals to open a deal. Yes, guys, if my technical analysis will not match with the bot's signals, I will just skip such situation. And so, my dear traders, this interesting way we are going to trade today. I will walk you through step by step how to trade with such tool. It's going to be very fun, guys, so I really advise you to watch this video till the end. And so, my dear traders, let's finally start our trading session with the chatbot. So guys, let's consider the current trading situation on the currency pair with you. So let's set a horizontal line here with you according to the upper values of the candles on the left. We determine the resistance level here. At the same time, we see that at the moment there is an uptrend. The price moves in waves and approaches this level. Also guys, at the same time, the main price minimum becomes higher. And now let's go to the chatbot Telegram channel and click on the get signal button. After that, the bot sends a list of currency pairs for us to choose from. Here we'll select the currency pair we need. For example, guys, now we currently have the Euro GPY currency pair selected on the pocket option platform. Therefore, we find this currency pair and click on it. As you can see, guys, the bot suggests opening a deal to buy. The time limit is 5 minutes. Therefore, we fulfill the specified conditions, set the time to 5 minutes, and click on the green button. It is more likely that the price will continue moving towards the resistance level in the overall uptrend. And as you understand, guys, in this situation, the bot confirmed our entry point. That is, it also offered us to open a deal to go up, guys. It is in this way that we will try to trade with you, guys. As you can see, the chatbot always sends the signals for a period of 5 minutes. That's why, we have to analyze the market considering this time frame. And so guys, let's finally watch the price and see how this deal will close. 30% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that. So guys, that's quite good. As you can see, the uptrend continued to exist. Here we got the profit. Guys, we really managed to make money on this upward movement, and at the same time 5 minutes was enough for us. And as you can see, guys, our technical analysis and this bot signal was correct. And guys, I hope now you understand how everything works here, and I hope that if you will be able to use such approach in trading, we will be able to increase our profit, guys. Let's continue. So let's set horizontal line here with you now on the upper values of these candles. We define a certain resistance level here. At the moment, there is a certain price corridor. That is, the price is moving in a wave-like manner. So at the moment, the price has constantly approached this level, and just now it is already going beyond it. That is, we can see that the green candles are being formed, and this means that it is quite likely that this level will be broken, and for some time the price will still move up. But guys, since we will be calculating the price movement for the next 5 minutes, it is likely that after a strong upward movement and a breakout of the level, the price will enter the correction zone and roll back in the opposite direction. So now let's see what the bot suggests we do. Click on this get signal button, then select the desired currency pair and click on it. Okay guys, as you can see here, the bot offers us to open a deal to sell. Well, I will agree with the chatbot and press the red button. It is likely that within 5 minutes the price will turn around and continue to move down. Even take into account that if in the near future the price will still grow. I hope that this time will be totally enough for us, guys. So let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, my dear traders, as you can see, indeed, in the next 5 minutes, the price fell into the correction zone and there was a rollback in the opposite direction. Guys, in fact, the chatbot was right and we with you correctly managed to predict the further movement of the chart. Well, so far everything is going great, guys. Let's continue. So guys, in this case, I propose to set a horizontal line on the upper values of the candles on the left. We define a certain resistance level here, and at the same time we also see that at the moment there is an uptrend. The price is moving up quite confidently and is approaching our level. At the same time, there is still a lot of space to the resistance level and it is quite likely that the price will continue to move up. Well, let's now make a request from this chatbot. Click this get signal button. Now let's find the currency pair we need in the bots list and click on it. And as you can see, the chatbot offers us to open a deal to buy, so let's follow the instructions and click on the green button. We will try to make money based on this uptrend. I hope that 5 minutes will be sufficient in this situation, even taking into account that the fact in the rollback downwards may occur. As you understand, guys, even with uptrends, rollbacks in the opposite direction occur. That is, the price can move in ways. That's why in this case I think 5 minutes will be totally enough for us. And so, my dear traders, let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay guys, as you can see, the uptrend continues to exist. Here we got the profit, and at the same time 5 minutes was really enough for us. Guys, in fact, the chatbot was right. As you can see, in combination with technical analysis, its tips work perfectly. Well, so far everything is going great, guys. Let's continue. So guys, at the top we have a resistance level. Also at the same time we see with you that there is another level at the higher, but there is still a lot of space to the next level. At the same time, at the moment there is a good confident uptrend and the price is approaching the internal resistance level. At the same time, the main price lows are becoming higher. That is, the price here has a bad potential to rise, and it's quite likely that the price will continue to move upward. It is also possible that the internal level will be broken. Now let's make a request to the bot for this currency pair. We find the Euro CAT currency pair in the bots list, click on it, and as you can see, the bot suggests opening a deal to buy. So let's do this. The bot has confirmed our technical analysis. We'll try to make money from this upward movement. Now let's observe the price and see how this deal will close. So, my dear traders, that's amazing. The price really continued to move upwards. Also, the level was broken, after which there was a rollback downwards. The price again approached our entry point, but still we managed to get profit here. So guys, here at the top we see the resistance level. Also we see that from this level there was a rollback down. Then after the rollback, the price turned around and green candles began to form again. At the same time, we see that the price lows are updated and became higher than the previous ones. And this means that it is quite likely that the price will continue to move upwards. So now let's make a request from the bot for this currency pair. Click on the get signal button, then in the bots list, we click on the currency pair we need. Here the bot suggests to open a deal to buy, so we follow the instruction and click on the green button. I hope that 5 minutes will be sufficient. In this case, even considering the possibility of consolidation or downward rollback. Guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, it's not bad at all, my dear traders. The price continued to move upwards and we were able to make money here, guys. 5 minutes was just enough for us. As you can see, guys, the resistance level was indeed broken. In fact, the chatbot was right again. So this means that such trading situations still work out quite well in most cases. So guys, let's continue. So guys, here at the top we have a resistance level. At the same time, we also see that at the moment an uptrend is being formed. So at the same time, we also see that the main price lows are being updated and becoming higher than the previous ones. And this means that the price has a good potential to rise. It is likely that in the near future the price will continue to move towards the resistance level. Therefore, let's now make a request for this currency pair from the bot. Click the button in the list AUDGPY, and here the chatbot offers us to open a deal to buy. Well, we do this and we will try to make money on the uptrend, on the convergence of the price with the level. I hope that 5 minutes in this case will be totally enough for us, guys, even taking into account consolidation. So let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, my dear traders, as you can see, the price has indeed approached the resistance level and entered the consolidation zone. At the same time, the closing point of our deal was higher than the opening point, guys. This means that we got the profit here. In fact, the chatbot was right. The uptrend has indeed continued to exist and has approached this level. Guys, we have managed to make money on this upward movement. At the same time, 5 minutes was just enough for us. And also, guys, we see with you that at the moment there is a breakthrough of this level, and this means that the price has a really great potential for growth. So our technical analysis and the bot prompt turned out to be correct. So far, everything is going great, guys. Let's continue. Alright, guys, here we can see that at the moment a downtrend is forming. Also at the same time, the main price highs became lower. Also at the same time, there is a certain level of support at the bottom. So let's put a horizontal line here now for clarity according to the lower values of these candles. This is our support level. Also, we can see that from this level there was a rollback upwards, green candles were formed, but I think it's quite likely that a reversal will occur in the next 5 minutes and the price will continue to move down toward the support level and the general downtrend. So now let's make a request to the bot for this currency pair. And as you can see, the bot is suggesting to open a deal to sell. So I agree with the bot and click on the red button. At this moment, the red candle has already started to form. So guys, it is on this downward movement, on the convergence of the price with the support level, that we will try to make money. Guys, I hope that 5 minutes will be enough this time as well. And now let's observe the price and see what will happen in the next 5 minutes. Well, guys, confident impulsive red candles were formed. The price really continued to move towards level and we managed to make money on this downward movement. Guys, as you can see, the chatbot signal was correct again. Well, I suggest continue our trading and looking for another situation on the market. So guys, here we see that there was a good and confident uptrend. Also at the same time, there is a resistance level at the top. The price came to this level and we see that at the moment there is a certain compression of the resistance level. At the same time, the main price lows became higher. At the same time, we see that the price began to go beyond the level, and this means that it is likely that this level will be fully broken in the near future. Guys, at the moment there is a downward rollback. Well, now let's see what the bot suggests we do. Let's click on the currency pair we need here. The bot suggests to open a deal to buy. As you can see, it confirms our technical analysis and we click on the green button. Guys, indeed it is likely that the price will continue its upward movement in the near future. This means that the resistance will be fully broken through during this upward movement. Guys, let's try to make profit. I hope that 5 minutes will be enough for us here. Even taking into account that if the price continues to move for some time in the consolidation zone, guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, my dear traders, as you can see, after the level was compressed, a breakout occurred, confident impulsive green candles were formed. And we were able to make money on this movement. As you can see, the chatbot was right again and it suggested us a good entry point. My dear traders, indeed, in combination with technical analysis, its tips work great. And also, guys, meantime, I already have $7,500 on my deposit and I think this is the end of our trading session. So my dear traders, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as you can see, my strategy really worked so well. Guys, I was combining my technical analysis and signals of ChatGPT plus trader bot, and as you can see, guys, we got a really good profit today. So if you enjoy such video, don't forget to put a big thumbs up to this video. Also subscribe to this channel for more trading strategies. And also, my dear traders, if you want to try to trade with this chatbot, you can do it even today. what you should do, guys. I left the links down below. This chatbot, by the way, totally for free. So yeah, you can try to trade even today, and who knows, perhaps you will get the first profit. So my dear traders, I wish you to have success on your own, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.